What is an op amp? So, an operational amplifier is a DC coupled high gain electronic voltage amplifier. DC coupled high gain amplifier usually consisting of one or more differential amplifiers. Op amps are differential amplifiers and their output voltage is proportional to the difference between the two input voltage. We have two terminals, that is the inverting and the non-inverting terminals, labeled with minus negative and the positive signs. Circuit symbol. Here we have the inverting and the non-inverting terminal respectively labeled as negative and the positive signals. Here we have Vn and Vp as the input terminals with respect to ground, and the output terminal is denoted as V0. We op amp in op amp mostly we use 741 for the for many applications. It is the common op amp we use. It has 8-pin configuration. The first pin and the fifth pin are the offset null. Fourth pin are power, and the seventh pin is power. Second and third pin are the inverting and the non-inverting input terminals, and the sixth pin is the output. The important terms and equations with the op amp are the input bias current, input and output impedance, open loop gain, input offset voltage, and the input current, offset current. So input bias current is the average of current that is flowing in between the inverting and the non-inverting terminal. Input and output impedances are the resistances of the offered by the inputs and output terminals. The open loop voltage gain, so it is the overall voltage gain or the amplification factor. Input offset voltage, so it is the voltage that must be applied between the two terminals of an op amp to the null output. Input offset current, the algebraic difference between the current into the inverting and the non-inverting terminal. Ideal op amp. So for every material we have an ideal case. For every circuit we have an ideal case. An ideal op amp is ideal when it follows the following characteristics. First one is the infinite voltage gain, and the second one is the infinite input resistance. The output resistance must be 0. Output voltage must be 0 when the input is 0, and infinite common mode rejection ratio. Slew rate must also be infinite. Characteristics of ideal op amp. So infinite bandwidth, infinite common mode rejection ratio, as we saw the earlier thing, it is also be included here. Infinite power supply rejection ratio, very large voltage gain. Smaller changes in voltage can be amplified by op amp. Next one is the applications. Op amp may be used for analog to digital converters, power source, zero crossing detector. Also we may use it for digital to analog converter, summer differentiator, integrator, etc. Advantages of op amp over other conventional amplifiers: it has smaller size, its reliability is higher than the conventional amplifier, reduced cost, lesser power consumption, easy to replace some op amp as it can be used for different applications.